Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Hamon in YBA. First, you'll need to ensure you meet the basic requirements to begin your quest. This includes having a stand and being at a certain level. We'll cover the initial steps to prepare you for this exciting journey, making sure you're ready to unlock this powerful ability. Let's dive right into the details. To start your Hamon journey, locate the Hamon Master NPC. This NPC is often Lisa, found near a fountain outside the arcade. Interact with them to accept the Hamon quest. This quest will challenge you to complete tasks, which might include gathering items or defeating a certain number of enemies. Be prepared for a test of skill and dedication. The Hamon quest often requires you to collect specific items, like an ancient scroll for Jonathan Joestar's Hamon, which can be found in various locations or dropped by certain enemies. You might also need to defeat a set number of opponents to demonstrate your combat prowess. Once you've fulfilled all the quest objectives, head back to the Hamon Master. They will acknowledge your efforts and guide you to the next stage. After successfully completing the trials, the Hamon Master will ask for a payment, usually around $10,000, to officially teach you the Hamon fighting style. Once paid, you'll instantly unlock Hamon and gain access to its unique abilities and skill tree. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Practice your new skills to become a formidable force in YBA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.